All right, BB, where are we?
We're at Cape St. George on St. George Island in Florida.
And that's the
lighthouse.
Let's go check it out. And museum right along the beach.
Woohoo!
Yes, let's go check it out. Alright, baby, let's go inside the museum. The museum. Wow.
Oh, the light.
That's the whatchamacallit.
That's
the lens.
That's the third order. Fixed white.
The lens?
Yes.
And I guess this is the keeper's house.
Yes, this was the keeper's house.
Thank God it's air conditioned.
Well, it wasn't then.
And there's the keeper. Whew. Thank God.
There's the timeline.
The old timeline. Yeah, look at it. See? 1995.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And then the 2008 is the one that you were seeing right now.
Okay.
But yes, yeah, and then here's the other one in 2005. So hopefully we'll be able to see that from the lighthouse, but that's on the beach. Yeah.
So it was technically in the water.
Yeah. And then it fell down. I mean, not only once in 95, in 2005.
Wow.
Too. And then they finally moved it in here.
Yeah, because you can see it here.
Yeah.
1933. Or
1833. Yep. All right, let's check out the rest of it.
Union Cannonball.
And then we can climb up. That's a bowling ball?
No, cannon
Oh,
ball.
okay.
Yeah, bowling ball.
Alrighty. Oh, you see that lighthouse, you wanted me to buy it. But yeah, this is what it looked like, and this is a replica of the lighthouse.
All the replicas of all the lighthouses.
Wow. That's nice.
Oh, that is nice.
That is nice. This is beautiful.
That's the one that's in Sanibel Island.
Oh, okay.
That's what that one would look like.
Well, we're going to try to hit them anyway, the ones we can.
Key West, we've already been to that one.
Y'all have to know,
Huh?
we have once a month, and even Crooked River does.
All right, let's prepare ourselves to go into the lighthouse. This is what the old one used to be. But she says it's on that side. So when we go up there, we'll point up there. All right, let's do it, dude.
Let's do it.
Let's try it. Let's see if you can remember how many feet this is. Yes. How many steps is this here?
92.
92 steps. And how tall is it?
77 feet.
77 feet. Okay.
Couldn't get the camera right.
No, I'm
I'm gonna cry.
That's why I carry my cell phone.
Oh, we need the perfect film to be really need you down.
All right, first window. And you notice that on this lighthouse here, because it's been rebuilt again, it's all wooden floors
I like it.
on the inside, and it's wider.
It's gonna get narrower as you get up.
Well, we'll see. We'll see.
I like this though.
This is nice. And I think it has, not air conditioning, but I can't get over those houses, how skinny they are.
You're obsessed with the houses.
That I am. Alrighty.
It's gorgeous.
Okay. Now, we're here, but I got some bad news for you.
What?
You gotta climb that ladder.
Well, okay.
Woohoo! And here we are again. This is St. George, right? Or Eatonville, or?
No, this is St. George Island.
Okay. Climb, baby. Climb.
You look how fat guy doing
Jesus. I don't know if I'm gonna make it through there.
this. Give me the camera, I'll do it.
I'm a big boy. That's alright, we good.
Okay.
We good. We good. Baby, where are you?
I'm here. Where are you at?
Alright, baby, we made it to the top. You have to climb through there. That's the light.
Yep.
I still can't get over those houses, man. Like, look how skinny they are
Yep.
and tall. I'm telling you, they're like tiny houses.
On steroids.
Yeah. Oh. Got that right there, the beach. And then that's the other side. And that's where we came in at, right there. Whew. St. George Island.
Yep.
And there you go yawning again. All right, anything you want to say? Other than they do the moonlight, and then the moonlight, you get to walk outside because there's a light keeper.
Yeah.
Again, the lighthouse used to be all the way down there.
At the very end of the island
Yeah.
on that side.
And that's where the Union, she said the Union soldiers occupied this when it was down over there. So they can keep the Confederates from trading Cotton.
Weapons.
for weapons and stuff. All right?
Yes.
Come on over there from the sun. There we go there. It's hot in here.
It is hot in here.
And I will say this is the first time we ever happened to be inside of the window when we want to be outside. That is crazy. That is crazy.
It's gorgeous though.
But it's beautiful. You got the beach and everything. I mean,
I'm sure she's right. When it's a full moon, I bet you it is absolutely gorgeous.
yes, yes, it is. And that's the party we're going to be joining pretty soon for the barbecue right over there. But yeah, it's beautiful, man. It's beautiful as all hell. All right, well, it's not much here until our next video.
See you guys.
Till maybe we do another lighthouse one day. Peace.